Hello everyone, I am Kat and I will be discussing the Peabody Picture Vocabulary Test 5th edition. The Peabody Picture Vocabulary Test 5th edition was created by Dunn DM and launched in 2018. The PPVT-5 is to assess verbal intelligence in children and adults ages 2 to 90 plus. PPVT-5 is co-normed with EVT3, which is another assessment, but for today's presentation, I will be focusing on PPVT-5. The artwork in the new PPVT-5 edition has been drawn to be familiar to individuals of various ages and from diverse and regional backgrounds. The importance of the PPVT-5 assessment. The PPVT-5 assesses vocabulary in adults and children using receptive standard English. The assessment is important because it helps detect language impairment in the client. PPVT-5 can be used to identify receptive language disorders in individuals, to examine language development, and to understand reading difficulties. Reliability and validity of PPVT-5. Reliability was assessed by using three measures, which are internal consistency, alternate form reliability, and test-retest stability. Internal consistency was examined by using split-half methods for forms A and B. Alternate form of reliability was assessed by comparing test A and B across different age groups. And test-retest stability was examined by using only Form A, in which clients were administered PPVT-5 twice in approximately 1 month retest interval. How to administer and who can administer the PPVT-5. Supplies needed to administer the assessment are a paper, pencil, and the client. Qualification level to administer the PPVT-5 assessment is level B, which means that it requires no professional degree, accreditation, or license. However, it is recommended the assessor has a background in psychology. The PPVT-5 includes the stimulus book, record form, and manual. The assessment is administered individually and takes about 10 to 15 minutes. The stimulus book looks like an easel-styled book with 4 pictures in a quadrant. Each picture is numbered 1 through 4 at the bottom. The assessor will ask point to, touch word, so it'll be point to pencil, touch eraser. The correct answer is indicated on the record form in red. As we see here, if the client does not answer, the assessor will circle NR for no response, indicating there was no verbal or gestural response. Scoring uses the basal and ceiling rule and process raw scores to standard scores. A basal is established with 3 consecutive responses and a ceiling is established with 6 consecutive incorrect responses. For instance, 8 through 10 are basal and 11 through 16 are ceiling. Testing ends once the ceiling has been reached. The raw score is based on the total of errors subtracted from the total number of items attempted. Just to recap, PPVT-5 has been revised and has more than 50% new words and pictures. The pictures are digital and are up to scale. The assessment is to assess expressive and receptive language through the use of pictures. Qualification B to administer the assessment, and PPVT-5 should not be used to give a diagnosis. PPVT-5 coincides with EVT3. And here are the references. Thanks so much for watching.